Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix and solve this problem on Twitter. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So now and first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. Then go to apps and here search for Twitter. And when you found Twitter, guys, open it like this. Then go to storage, click on clear cache here and also clear data, click OK, and then go back, click on force stop, click OK, and now the last thing is to go into Play Store and updating your Twitter, and then it will work with you correctly. So that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.